Good morning, day 4. Ashley and I are in a lot of pain. Sunburn. We didn't cover up enough. And we're pretty sore from walking. So I think we're gonna take it easy today. But for now, let's go get some coffee. I don't want to wait for the elevator. I need the exercise. So last day here at Ocean Cay. We're just gonna take a little walk around. We got some water, looking for some Christmas ornaments. And I think we're still just gonna make it an easy day. My hair is doing some weird. So for the food here, it's not a huge selection. There's not a lot of restaurants. It's really just picnic type food. There's a little bit of a fancier food. The food trucks are here. But it's definitely just for lunch. So, 2 little cons about this place, 2 things I don't really care for. They really need more trolley, golf cart type of transportation. It's a small island, but it's a lot to walk and to eat. So they do need that a little bit more of a tighter schedule, maybe more drivers, I'm not sure why, but it's just a little bit more, maybe a schedule. There's a lot of beach shacks, food trucks, but they're not all open. I don't know if it's because our ship is at like a 1/3 capacity and there's just not a lot of people here. Not really sure why, but there's not a lot open. So a little bit more to choose from would be great. We also really want to do the local artisan market thing, but they were closed. I'm not sure why. I figured they'd be open. Under construction, they're still expanding it, but it's not that really bad. There's one of those beach shack trucks. This one's actually open. Yeah, I highly recommend if you come here, eat your good breakfast on the ship, have your good dinner on the ship, have lunch on the beach. It won't be the best lunch you've ever had, but it's lunch on the beach. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's clean. Like, this is the beach you just get to chill at all the time. I don't know if you can hear me with this wind, but I can't get over this lighthouse. This thing is fantastic. I love lighthouses, but this thing is all digital. It lights up as you saw. I think we're gonna go back on the ship, check out the shops, and just relax the rest of the day. Peace. Sailing away, gonna wave goodbye to the lighthouse, and I think now we're gonna go to dinner. I'm definitely gonna go to dinner because I look good. We are on our way back to Florida.
Going down.
The next gentleman is the right hand, the full experience you have had with us. Can you do that? Yeah.
So this will be my probably last video from the ship. Beautiful way to end it. Great dinner with Ricardo and Crisanto at the Black Crab. You guys were great. I loved y'all. Overall, I love this ship. Love the experience. Tomorrow is back to land. Back to reality. In a couple of months, we will be in Puerto Rico, and then after that, it'll be off to Cozumel. So, with that, we're going to end it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.